Hi everyone, I'm Puneet. I'm back again. With the summer heat catching on and all of us still in a lockdown, I was wondering if it was time to have or help make a refreshing drink. So today we're going to quickly show you how to make a very refreshing mango panna. Stay tuned. Panna or panna, as it's often referred to, is a very refreshing summer drink, very popular in northern India. To start this, we select fresh raw mangoes and put them in a cooker and add water. We bring this to a boil and cook it until one whistle and let it rest for 10 minutes after that. The raw mangoes have been cooking in the pressure cooker for up to one whistle and 10 minutes. We've allowed the cooker to settle down, cool, and let the steam escape. We are now opening the pressure cooker. Yes, can you see the pulpy mangoes? They've been popped and cooked very well. So as you can see, we have removed the pulp extract and placed it in a bowl. We've managed to get 3 cups of mango pulp or the raw mango pulp, and we've also taken 3 cups of sugar. So we're going in the ratio 1:1. We're now adding the mango pulp into a blender. To this we will add the 3 cups of sugar that we've already measured and kept on the side. We're now going to blend both the sugar and the mango pulp for 30 seconds to a minute. Just long enough to ensure that both the sugar and the mango pulp have got amalgamated or mixed well together. We now have the pulp ready and we are going to pour it into a jar. This pulp can be refrigerated and used for 8 to 10 days. Yeah, lovely. Look at that lovely yellow. So refreshing. The pulp is a concentrate, and soon we will dilute this with a few spices and water and lots of ice to make our refreshing drink today. Now that we have the mango pulp ready, I've got together the ingredients that we're going to use to make our refreshing drink this morning. We have here in these little bowls roasted jeera powder, black salt, mint or pudina leaves, and lots of ice. It's 33 degrees outside and feels almost like 35, and I'm really looking forward to this cold, chilled, refreshing panna. So here are the next steps. We add 3 to 4 tablespoons of the pulp into the blender. On top of this, we add lots of ice. I like my drink chilled, so 5 to 6 cubes of ice going, followed by 200 ml of water. And then we add a few spices to enhance the flavor. This is roasted jeera powder going in, followed by a little bit of rock salt, and finally a few mint leaves to make the drink refreshing. We now give this a nice good mix. We've just finished blending the drink, and now we're going to pour it out into this glass that's waiting for me. Wow, so refreshing. I love those mint leaves coming in combination with the mango. You can indulge yourself this summer. Take a margarita glass, line the rim with salt and red chili powder, fill the glass with crushed ice, and pour your favorite panna into the glass. I personally like the red chili powder because of the zing it gives me. I hope you enjoy your drink. Happy sipping and see you soon.